CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at Basic Attention Token, also known as BAT. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure that you click the subscribe button, which is located down here in the right-hand corner, lower right-hand corner, our icon. Hover over that, and then click on the subscribe button. And also hit the bell notification that you see down here as well. And hit the like button. What that does is ensure that you don't miss out on any future crypto kernel episodes that we have. And we've got a lot coming up over the next several weeks. You haven't seen anything yet. And if there's anyone that you care about that you know would receive value from it, share it with them by clicking share and sending them this video. The rest is up to them. You've done your part. Now let's get on to BAT. What is BAT? Basic Attention Token is the token that powers a new blockchain-based digital advertising platform designed to fairly reward users for their attention while providing advertisers with a better return on their ad spend. This experience is delivered through the Brave browser, where users can watch privacy adverts and receive BAT rewards for doing so. On the other hand, advertisers can deliver targeted ads to maximize engagement and cut down on losses due to fraud and abuse. The Basic Attention Token itself is the unit of reward in this advertising ecosystem, and it's exchanged between advertisers, publishers, and users. Advertisers pay for their advertising campaigns in BAT tokens. Out of this budget, a small portion is distributed to advertisers, while 70% is distributed to users, whereas the intermediaries that typically drive up advertising costs are cut out of the equation to improve cost efficiency. BAT token launched in 2017 following one of the fastest initial coin offering sellouts of all time, with the platform raising $35 million in under 8 minutes. Since then, it has rolled out its attention-based advertising experience to users in most countries through its Brave Rewards program. What makes BAT token unique? The primary use for BAT token is as a payment token for running advertising campaigns through Brave ads. Advertisers must commit to a minimum ad spend of $2,500 per month to be able to launch their campaign. But a self-serve platform with potentially lower costs is currently in the works. Right now, this advertising budget must be paid entirely in BAT tokens, which advertisers can acquire from a variety of third-party exchange platforms. Out of this, Brave takes a small commission, and the rest is distributed to publishers and users. One of the main distinguishing features about the BAT token and Brave browser ecosystem is the capacity to reward tip users who are not yet part of the network. These users can then securely register to collect any tips that they have accumulated. Both BAT token and Brave browser have achieved significant user uptake since their launch. Before I go any further, one thing that I want to stress, I know I've talked about this in every episode, and I'll continue to do so until things change, but leaving your coins on any exchange for an extended amount of time is not safe and it's not smart. You must get a cold storage wallet. It's the only way to protect your crypto, the only way to keep your money safe. Ledger, one of the leading worldwide manufacturers in crypto, we've included a link to them in this video's description. Now, currently, Brave has over 20 million active monthly users, whereas the BAT token is now held by over 1 million wallets. Now, the BAT token is an ERC20 token, and as such, it is built on an Ethereum blockchain. And like any other ERC20 token, it is rigorously tested proof of work consensus algorithm. Now, if we look here, we can see that currently BAT is number 92 out of over 8,500 altcoins on the market today. Its market cap is 1.1 billion, and the price per BAT token, we look here, is 77 cents per token. Okay. Now, some numbers I really want you to look at. The total token supply, 1.5 billion, which a billion, okay, it seems like a lot. It's a big number. But when you look at the circulating supply of BAT tokens, 1.49 billion, that means that 99% of all the available tokens are already in investor hands, which means that only 1% is available for purchase right now in the market today. And this is verifiable. So that's something to think about. This is the only token we've ever seen with that few tokens available. Now, who are the founders of Bad Token? They have two founders, Brendan Eich and Brian Bondi, two highly distinguished individuals in the internet browsing software industry. Eich is the CEO of Brave Software Incorporated, the parent firm behind the Brave browser and the Bad Token. Prior to his role at Brave, Eich was the founder and CTO of Mozilla and also invented JavaScript in 1995. He also helped launch one of the world's most popular web browsers in 2004, Mozilla Firefox. We've all used Mozilla at some point. Likewise, Bondi joins as Brave and Bad Token CTO. Bondi is a heavily experienced engineer with previous experience working as a senior software engineer at Mozilla. Together, Eich and Bondi have a combined 50 plus years of software development experience, and the team has over 16 team members total. Critical qualifying questions. Number one, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number two, what is its market cap? Number three, what is the total token supply? Number four, who is the CEO? Number five, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community? These questions must be asked and answered by you every time you're thinking of buying any token or coin, period. Now, if you want to get some bad tokens, you can do so in a couple of different ways. Number one, you can go to Binance and get them. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Their fees are very low. We've included a link to Binance in this video's description at the bottom. You can see it right there. And also on our About page as well. You can also purchase some of these remaining bad tokens on Coinbase now, actually, as well. And if you don't have a Coinbase account, we've included a link. You sign up, you earn $40 in free crypto by taking a couple of quizzes that will broaden your knowledge of crypto. So it's a win-win. You can also get bad tokens on crypto.com. And if you sign up for an account through our link, you get $25 in free crypto as well. And back to protecting our crypto. I talked about it a little bit earlier, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about it in detail now. Ledger, they are one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of cold storage wallets. They've got several different products to choose from. They are headquartered in Paris, France. So wherever you're at, give it a week or two with everything going on to get your cold storage wallet. But this is one of the most important purchases that you're ever going to make. Purchasing your own wallet and being able to take your money with you no matter how much you have anywhere in the world with you, and know that it's secure and safe. Even if you lost that wallet, I mean, the peace of mind is priceless, which is why we always talk about it. Now, if you haven't yet and you've received value from our show, contribute to the channel, either Cash App or primarily through our Ethereum link, which is included as well. And pick up your own CryptoKernels merch. Represent. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned in, because over the coming weeks, we've got a lot to share with you. So much so I wish I could talk about it now, but I can't. But soon you will understand why. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.